See, the notice published by the Konkan Railway inviting people for having rent a bike outside the railway stations is going to create one of the biggest disaster for Goan youth and Goans who have invested on rent a bike in the hinterland, on the coastal area and so forth. First of all, Goa is on the highest rank for unemployment. And by doing this, what are you exactly trying to do? What is the government? Is the government sleeping? When you are going to have it outside the railway station, and to whom it is? Anybody will come allowed to put it, whether you go on, not go on, nothing is there. TMC demands that the Chief Minister immediately intervenes and directs the Konkan Railway to withdraw this, so that our Goans who have invested in the rent a bike are saved and they earn something.